kati nze mbadde nsaba abakyala buli muwala ali ku social media nga Makula is your problem. Let me give you a solution. Unfollow me. I'll stop being a problem. Don't
watch anything
anything that has Makula. I'll stop being a problem. Seriously. Omutwe gugenda kuluma kati. I know there is someone seated ayomba. Yes, Oza. Please. Banange simanyi toyinza kunjagala yasinza kukakasa kunjagala because ekintu kimwe era kye twadde twogerako Lena. Nze.
We had a serious talk.
I'm not a people pleaser. So I'm not going to make myself silly, beg for you to love me. Jesus wasn't loved.
Jesus was hated. His disciples were stoned to death.
Yes. So, atenze ekintu kye twadde twogerako on Facebook ne Lena. Nti I'll never explain myself to friends.
People, continue. That was
because
a big one.
Friends already understand me and enemies will never understand me. So I cannot waste my time explaining myself to people who will never understand me. Those are not made for me.
Hello.
And just know where there is good, there is bad. Where there is love, there is hatred. Where there is God, there is a devil. So either God is going to use you in my life or the devil will use you against me. Yeah?
Someone is like, you need to go and warm daddy, he's cold.
No, he's in the prayer room. Today he entered the prayer room early. Sabada in a moment yeka for 4 hours. So I got the chance to be with Lena. Trust me, I wouldn't be here. I love that man so much.
How does that make you feel? The team so and so. Chiulikikachitya, my darlings.
Omanyi. No, kati nsaba. Nsabira buli muwala ali kuno. You bitter, you hate Suzan, nyinza okuba nga I'm the person you wanted to become.
I'm listening.
You didn't become that person. But God can make you the person you're supposed to be. Bwemba nkunyiza in any way, forgive me. I'm so sorry that I hurt you. I make you feel that way. Olemu okwebaka, you use your data nga buli kimu kyonna. It's me. I'm really sorry for that. Na someone is saying you're with him because of his money. Wow. About how much?
Someone says, I love you much. Suzan Makula Bujingo abafa bafe. So they're even planning to die.
Now, someone is saying you love him for his money. Now, I love this man that have taken everything of his to be mine. Mwagadde, obali no batalina. Nga bwe mwagala batalina bwabalina, I'll still love him. Sigenda chigana. You cannot separate him from his money. So, bija byombi. It's full package. I'm a blessed woman. So, full package.
I love you, Suzan. I love you, Suzan. Wama.
Kati, mbadde mbasabira abakyala.
Bafuna babagala.
Njagala ofuna omuntu akwagala. You will not hate those who are being loved. Trust me.
Wow, that's a point.
People who are in love don't have time to hate
anyone.
Lovers. They don't. But it's the broken people that are trying to break others. Bobol in broken marriage, you want to break another marriage. Someone is saying sarcastic prayer. It's okay, don't take it. It wasn't yours, by the way. Yeah, don't take it.
Tojirera bisu.
Tojitwala. Nsabira buli mukazi yenna na buli musajja aliko kama akuwa omuntu wo.
Onagambye exactly my point. Broken people.
Mommy. Yeah, God will give you your person.
God, don't even bother.
And if your person is not my husband, then don't mind.
But
banenga sagala kuyo simanyi kuyomba. Yeah, naye banjagala okubadda mbambi abanyize. But let me give you advice. Don't follow the person you hate. Mutuwa amani. You're giving me more publicity.
Do you know how many things you've gotten from this kind of storm?
Yes, so many. I got connections. There is a time omuntu omu yagenda mu bantu. It was bali abamu ba MPs and some ministers. So we yatuukawo, they were going to have a meeting, nebera delayed. Naleta erinnya lyange. So one person asked, "Naga naye mukazi yani? Like, why is she becoming an issue? Is she that big and important?" So from that day, natandika okunoonyereza ku my life. Started following me on radio, on TV. And that's how we became friends. Like, oh, the first time I heard your name, it was in a meeting.
You know how many people want.
So there is a way God is going to introduce you to other people through your enemies. They are going to keep mentioning your name.
Earlier you
everywhere.
said that when your enemies overpronounce your name, they provoke God.
They provoke God to bless you. So
you should say that
I'm
again.
Protected by Him. So
you should say that again. That enemies provoke God to bless you. Don't stress yourself. Wama mommy, we love you. I love your skin though.
May God protect you.
I love your hair. Yes, the hair is hers.
Yeah, it's my natural hair. Okay, it's my hair.
She's so lovely. She's such a vibe. Onagambye, still twabizeemu dda. Still.
Someone is saying, Suzan, Ningo Kadi.
And
Tofa, I am not searching. Tell your young brother not to come for me.
We love you. Nebitatukwatako.
Thank
you. Read our comments. Us who love you unconditionally. Yeah, by the people really, really love you.
Hey, someone Agambi Nkadi. By the way, I'm aging gracefully. I'm 38.
Hey, you are.
Yes.
Yeah, yet you look like me.
By the grace of God, I'll be 40, and that's a birthday that I'll celebrate with people. Party, you know. I want to do something for other people on my 40th birthday.
And I will check this person's profile after. Aiza nokuba 20. Nengo musingo obuto okufaanana.
These days I'm so busy.
Daddy is about to come for you, you know.
I think he's out of the prayer room.
Yeah, he's about to come for you. Lots of love.
Thank you so much. I want to...
Doreen T, I love you so much, mommy.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Bana mommy. Bana bantweta go badukako. We shall come back for them when you are fully charged for them. Ora kujuma damu juma.
So nze chemba saba this year. Nkusaba bofunako time to pray. Emu item jobo tekamu. Saba katonda akuyigiriza okwagala. Not only your spouse or your family, but other people who do not deserve to be loved, but love them. In fact, fena abalokoka, we do not deserve God's love because we are sinners, but He loved us. He chose us before we chose Him.
My husband likes you.
Okay, the way my husband likes you and pastor. He's even a pastor when he started dating me, I know. Okay, thank you. God bless you.
Konke kino kimwe ndaza kujanu bajumi imwe. Nze sisasira.
Don't.
Sisasira musango, but we love you.
No, don't.
All right, we love you so much. We need to say good night.
Mbagala nnyo. Mukama bampera omukisa. Mukama banjagalire. May this be a fruitful year. Byonna byotamaliriza last year. Mukama akuwa ekisa obimalirize mu 2023. Ebere a different year. Eje with blessings, eje with connections, eje with good people. Ate Katonda musabe a revealing the enemies abaje mbulamuwo. Now bata revealinze abaje so that you may prosper. Bantu amunange baganirwa abantu babi. Yeah, so tulina okwebaza Katonda when it takes bad people out of our lives. We shouldn't try holding on to them. Tumukiriza akole. So may God bless you. May God bless you. Sinza kumenya manya gamwe na yenze ndi muntu asabira abantu bonna. Even those who don't like me, they deserve love. So
even the worst one deserves love.
We didn't deserve God's love. His grace. So byonna tetubisaanira bye tulina ne bye tuli. Era nkusabira Mukama akuteeke mu positioning in your path. Akutereza akugateka abantu, gateka emikwano, agateko buli kimu kye weetaaga this year. Yes.
Sabo basigaddeko mwagala Makula.
All right, God bless you.
We love you so much. We shall come back another time and we shall alert you. No, it's mom that has to rest. Guys, tetusobola sigaza.
Empozi n'ekisembe kye twayogedde ekibadde twerabidde. Tokolerera kusanyusa abantu. Society is like a grave. Tekowa. Lunaku ejja n'ekipya. Ojasanga ne demands empya.
Yeah, we could bring you closer, by the way.
You want to prove a point.
See how cute you are in this year.
Do not try to prove a point nti obeere mulungi, then obeere munene, then obeere mutono. No. Do you as long as you're happy and comfortable, please do you. Togezaako kusanyusa buli omu tosobola, and not everyone will like you. not everyone will like you. Manya nti Katonda alina be yatonda nga bagenda kuba babo, waliwo n'abalala nga tebagenda kuba babo. So abatali babo tobasaako birowoozo. Do not focus on people who don't like you. You have a few. Like right now, nina abali mu kuyomba. But it's okay. But I'm happy. I have those who say, I love you.
There are many.
I love you.
There are very many.
So, okay, okay. But sweetie, I want you to have a good night.